3D printing in medicine. Crafting a healthier future. Let's explore how three-dimensional printing is transforming medicine. What once seemed like science fiction is now reality, creating customized medical devices, implants, and even human tissue through three-dimensional printing. This technology allows for personalized, precise, and often cost-effective solutions, changing the way we approach surgeries and treatment. Three-dimensional printing works by constructing objects from digital models, layer by layer, using materials like plastics, metals, and biological tissues. This has revolutionized the creation of prosthetics and implants, making it easier and faster to produce devices tailored to a patient's specific needs. One of the most thrilling advances in this field is bioprinting, where scientists use bioinks made from living cells to print tissues and organs. Fully functional printed organs are still in experimental stages, but skin, bone, and cartilage printing is already in progress. The ultimate goal? Printing organs like kidneys and hearts to save lives and reduce the need for donors. This technology has also impacted surgical planning, allowing surgeons to print highly accurate models of patient anatomy to practice complex procedures. These models improve surgical precision and outcomes while helping medical professionals train. As the technology advances, three-dimensional printing is also paving the way for printed drug delivery systems and personalized medicines. Three-dimensional printing is more than just a breakthrough. It's a life-changing tool that's reshaping the future of healthcare. This technology is bridging the gap between innovation and patient care, making healthcare more personalized and accessible than ever.